Hello, everyone. If you're waiting for more of Tim Allen and Kat Dennings in Shifting Gears, there's some exciting news today. ABC has officially renewed Shifting Gears for Season 3. So Matt and Riley Parker's story is definitely continuing. The biggest update right now is that Season 3 is expected to arrive during the 2027 mid-season, although ABC has not announced an exact premiere date yet. So when could we actually see it? My prediction is that Season 3 could premiere around January or February 2027, especially since the latest reports point toward a mid-season launch. Production is also moving forward, with filming expected to begin around August 2026. And here's the news fans are talking about today. Beth Behrs is joining Season 3 as a guest star, reuniting with Kat Dennings after their days together on Two Broke Girls. That reunion could bring some seriously fun comedy moments. As for the trailer, there's no official Season 3 trailer yet. We'll probably have to wait until production gets further along. Story-wise, expect more family drama, comedy, and surprises at Parker Restorations. If you're excited for Season 3, subscribe to the channel for more updates.